AI notebooks are reshaping research and data analysis. Imagine a world where complex coding is simplified by AI, making advanced tasks accessible to everyone. This isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a revolution in how we work. This video is brought to you by BusinessCompassLLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and well-architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web and app development. Our AI offering is AIFORIOU. Check out iForYou.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing or NLP services infused with Gen AI for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have concept to code offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concept2code.ai. Our website is BusinessCompassLLC.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. AI notebooks integrate computational engines, LLMs, and user-friendly interfaces. They transform natural language into code, enhancing coding and data analysis. This seamless experience makes complex tasks more approachable. Natural language processing in AI notebooks allows users to describe tasks in plain English. The system generates code, analyzes data, and provides insights, creating a collaborative environment between humans and AI. AI notebooks enable real-time interaction between users and AI. They analyze data, generate code, and create a feedback loop that personalizes user experiences, making complex tasks more intuitive. The feedback loop in AI notebooks refines suggestions based on user interactions. This personalization enhances the efficiency of data analysis and code generation, adapting to user preferences over time. Traditional notebooks require manual coding, while AI notebooks use natural language to generate code. This shift reduces barriers for complex tasks, making coding more accessible and collaborative. AI notebooks offer context-aware features, understanding relationships between cells and variables. This awareness prevents errors and enhances collaboration, transforming solo coding into a team effort. AI notebooks accelerate data analysis and pattern recognition. They automate literature reviews and citation management, allowing researchers to focus on insights rather than tedious tasks. Real-time hypothesis testing in AI notebooks transforms research. Researchers can test ideas instantly, receive immediate feedback, and refine hypotheses quickly, leading to more efficient and impactful studies. AI notebooks create personalized learning paths, adapting to each student's needs. They offer interactive tutorials and instant feedback, enhancing learning experiences and making education more engaging. With multi-language support, AI notebooks break down language barriers, providing global accessibility. They align with curriculum standards, ensuring students meet objectives while exploring topics at their own pace. AI notebooks streamline report generation and documentation. They automate code optimization and debugging, enhancing productivity and ensuring high-quality outputs with minimal effort. Enhanced project management features in AI notebooks track tasks and predict risks. They optimize resource allocation, ensuring projects stay on track and teams work efficiently. Platforms like Google Colab and Jupyter Notebook offer accessible entry points to AI notebooks. They provide essential features for beginners and advanced users, making it easy to start exploring AI capabilities. Setting up AI notebooks requires careful configuration. Ensure proper environment management and API key setup to unlock full potential. Follow best practices to maximize efficiency and avoid common pitfalls. Recap: AI notebooks revolutionize research, education, and productivity. They simplify complex tasks, enhance collaboration, and provide personalized experiences. By embracing these tools, you'll transform how you work and learn. Takeaway: by integrating AI notebooks into your workflow, you unlock new efficiencies and insights. These tools empower you to tackle complex challenges with ease, making advanced capabilities accessible to all. Call to action: start exploring AI notebooks today. Choose a platform that suits your needs, begin with simple projects, and watch how these tools transform your work and learning experiences. Remember, AI notebooks are not just for experts. They're designed for everyone, from students to professionals. Dive in, experiment, and discover the potential of AI-enhanced research and productivity. Join the AI Notebook revolution. Embrace these tools to enhance your capabilities, streamline your tasks, and unlock new opportunities. Let's transform the way we work and learn together.